Hi guys, good evening. So today we will concentrate on visual view visible, invisible using the text view and buttons in the same program. So last class, what we discussed, right? In the same program, I want to visible and invisible property. So how that? So first I will run this program. We will see what is my requirement. I'll explain you first that requirement. Then as for the requirement, I will modify the code here now. Let my connect mobile. Yeah, it is launched. Just let me connect to mobile, then we will see. Let me reopen the visor. So sometimes visor will respond slowly because it's a third party tool, right? So it will respond slowly. Yeah, now it's connected. See, this is. So my requirement is here. Initially, I don't want to display any text here. So then once I click on that, the text should be displayed here. But I'll remove here. So I'll remove here this text tag. But what happened here, you can see in design, even though if I remove that empty space has created, but I don't want that empty space also. That empty space I want to be occupied by the button. So then I added as a visibility gone. Right. So then now I'll come to here. So while here same program, in a same program, even though if you write this without data binding or data binding also, before this, just you can write one property, that is binding dot. So for the same TV1, right? So set visibility. So in here, set and get both are the same. So that is here. Directly you can write the visibility. So here you can write question mark. So visibility. So you can write directly visible. So here we will write like this, view dot visible. So like this we will write. So that is set visibility. Set visibility like this we will. So okay, so we will run this. We will see. So use proper syntax. See, initially how I write, it is the same, but initially it not came here. So once it is run right, so here visible and invisible property total you can use 3 types. One is the visibility gone. Visibility gone means it will gone including the space, and the visible. Visible means it will visible. One more property is the invisible. So that text will and means content will hide, but space could not be hide. See now I'm clicking on this like this. It is visible. Like this visible invisibility property is very important, because in our projects, while we are doing the projects, many cases we will use this. So that is very important here, because for example, I'm doing one registration form. On a registration form, I have the conditions like physically handicapped, I have different fields. Female, I have different fields. Male, I have different fields. So those all we can handle by using the visible and invisible property only. So this is about the text view and grid view. So in the next tutorial, we'll see the next component. Thank you.